Once upon a time, in the vibrant heart of Jamaica, there was a woman named Patricia, whose smile could light up even the cloudiest of days. She was known for her kindness and her love for life's simple pleasures: reggae music, fresh jerk chicken, and the warm sun kissing the Caribbean Sea. One sunny afternoon, while walking along the bustling shores of Negril, Patricia heard the soulful strum of a guitar. She turned to see Michael, a man with a gentle smile and eyes that reflected the ocean's depth. Michael was a talented musician, and he played his guitar with passion, pouring his soul into every note. When their eyes met, there was an instant spark, a connection as natural as the breeze that danced through the palm trees. Patricia listened, enchanted by his melodies, and before she knew it, they were talking about their favorite reggae songs, their dreams, and the beauty of their island home. Days turned into weeks, and their bond grew stronger with each shared laugh and dance under the starry Jamaican sky. Michael would play his guitar for Patricia, and she would sing along, her voice blending with the rhythm of the island. Their love was like a warm summer breeze, refreshing, joyful, and full of life. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a golden glow over the sea, Michael took Patricia's hand and whispered, "Patricia, you make my world brighter than the Caribbean sun. I want to spend every moment making you smile." With tears of happiness in her eyes, Patricia nodded, knowing that love like theirs was as rare and beautiful as a Jamaican sunset. And so, amidst the music, the laughter, and the endless blue skies, Patricia and Michael's love blossomed, simple, warm, and forever Caribbean.